Hello all. Welcome to Getting Started with Machine Learning in Python. This course is designed to help you get started with machine learning concepts and implementation using the Python language. My name is Rudy, and this is a course by Packt Publishing. A little bit about me. I have 6 years of experience in data science. I have deep technical experience with quantitative trading and statistical modeling. I'm currently building natural language generation technology. In this course, we're going to teach you machine learning using Python, firstly by launching a Python environment to create machine learning models. I'm then going to talk about how we can prepare datasets for machine learning using data cleaning techniques. We then talk about the first task in machine learning, which is classification, and then the second task and the opposite of classification, which is regression. We then talk about a bigger topic, unsupervised learning, on how we can segment groups and detect outliers. Lastly, we talk about modeling complex relationships with non-linear models. In this course, we assume that you have basic Python skills. We don't need you to have any prior machine learning experience. There are 3 goals in this course. Number 1, we want you to learn about supervised learning, how we can classify data points and predict future numbers. Number 2, practical exercises, unsupervised learning, how we can segment clients and cluster documents. Number 3, intuition-driven practical tour through machine learning packed with step-by-step instructions, working examples, and helpful advice. Without further ado, let's begin.